Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York. I just got off the beautiful Norwegian gem, setting foot here on Bermuda. First time on land in a day and a half. It feels good. I'm going to spend the day here. First part of the day is going to be a bus tour. It's about 5 hours long. Going to take me around the entire island of Bermuda. We'll stop off at lots of places like, I believe, a lighthouse and Horseshoe Bay with its pink sands and things like that. In any event, I don't want to miss that tour bus. It's pretty much just a few moments away from leaving, so I'm going to head over there and bring you guys along. Come on along with me. Right now we're in the Royal Naval Courtyard here in Bermuda, which is where most of the cruise ships pull into port. And I will be returning here to do another video, the Royal Naval Courtyard, as well as some other videos in Bermuda. It's a full, I'm here for a full day, but I'm going to get at least 4 or 5 videos, different areas of the island. But this one is all about the island in general. Not going to do too much commentating because, well, the driver was a great tour guide and we're going to listen to him. That makes more sense to me.
And just about everybody knows everybody. Hi, we say, hi, what's happening? Let me see cars. That means good morning. Hello. Oh man, so you can't mess around with your spouse in Bermuda, guys, man. Gee. Limestone is closed with the buildings we build our houses with. Matter of fact, this is some good stone. This is some good houses for especially hurricanes. We get about 2 hurricanes a year average sometimes. Yeah, we got them here. This is a cemetery, guys, but this is not our cemetery. We're the local cemetery. This cemetery, when the fort we just came out of, yeah, 280 years ago. This is the English, the Royal Navy's. So there might be a big lieutenant grave there. Now our grave. Color you want. Look at this here. This is Pepto-Bismol here. Over here we got some lemon yellow. Around the corner coming up, we have a Mr. Chicken. It's similar to KFC, and their favorite colors are bright orange and lime green. I mean bright orange, man. You see. Here's that Mr. Chicken here. Remember I was telling you bright orange. That'll wake you up in the morning. Little competition for KFC there. Man, look at that color. Now, if you look on the right coming up, guys, at the second sign, you'll see Dollar Depot Plus. There it is. That's our dollar store right up there, the Dollar Depot Plus.
This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck.
Per year to keep your boat moving in here. Oh man, how they get out to those boats? Okay, what they do, they have little dinghies. Lock Bossius up here. This is his going over the bridge. He's just showing the tourists the opening part where the bridge used to open years ago. Right in the middle here, we'll be up there in the middle where the hinges are. This is where the bridge used to open. Guys used to pull it up by hand manual, and that massive sailboat go right through here in the middle there. Yeah. But no longer they don't open it anymore. types of blue over here. Turquoise blue and light blue, dark blue. And quite a bit of turtles in the water here too. In the pond here. They also keep little fish in there to eat the mosquito larvae. Just keep the mosquitoes down here in Bermuda. So they ponds like that, they would put little fish in there. But you may see some turtles up there. See the wharf over there? See some turtles over sitting on the wharf getting a little sun bath there. Some turtles down there, the birds there. I'll be there. I was coming over. See there's houses down there, yeah. There's a Airbnbs down there. There's a beach down there where you see the palm trees there. There's a beach right beyond this. So these, all the blue buildings.
Just to bring you guys up to speed, we just went over the world's tiniest drawbridge about a minute ago, and it's right here in Bermuda. And now we're in a exclusive golf country club here in Bermuda. Although how exclusive can it be since, well, I'm standing in the middle of it. Besides, that green is looking a little rough. That green is looking a little brown to me. Next up, we're off to see a lighthouse.
But your ship is right over here. See the ship over there? There's there. Just about to see. Then you get up the lighthouse, you'll be able to see your ship quite clearly. Just about the little island from up there. And you can see how it can look when it's calm. Look, see how crispy the water is. All the reefs around there, we got the different fish, colored fish down there. Look at that water, it's crispy. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that we put the blue in the water around November. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm looking for a lizard. And you may see some children's graves and baby graves. They don't do that. It's more like this one here and blues across the street. So these graves will go down. Now they catch that rainwater on the roof here and they store it underneath. But this month, so they don't run out of water. They would have. This is the tank. And it was called the Sonesta Beach Hotel. Look at that beach right here, look. Nice little beach with this hotel. They knocked the hotel down. They're gonna build another hotel down there. And it was
At this point in the tour, the driver got out and picked some wild, fragrant leaves that are just growing on the side of the road here. He picked a leaf for everyone on the bus, and man, did that bus smell really good. I thought he said eucalyptus, but I know what eucalyptus looks like, and this is not a eucalyptus bush. But I'm not sure what the leaf is, but we all brought it back to the boat. We're not supposed to bring any meat, vegetation, food, or anything onto the boat for lots of reasons, but we all, I guess, snuck this leaf on. And I have it in my home right now, and it's still very fragrant. Smells wonderful. We're now heading towards the lighthouse, and the tour guide or the bus driver promised us that this is the cheapest souvenir place on the island. Sounds like the place where I'm going to get my refrigerator magnet. Next up, we're heading to the beach to check out some pink sand, which Bermuda is known for.
Fremont. Yeah, the Fremont Hotel. It's the biggest hotel here in Bermuda. It holds up to 1,200 people up there. You see guys in the trees pulling out their bowls, man. Let's see, it looks so simple. Just up the hill and down in the bank there, yeah. So this is the biggest hotel here, guys. Somewhat like a horseshoe. Now around August when the school's out, this beach, because you get the cruise ships, the whole families come down on those cruise ships, man. So they cricket in the summer months and soccer in the winter months. And here's a little club here, the Southampton Rangers Club. And they have a little field back there where they play the soccer here. It gets calm in there, much calmer in there than it is all over here. Because they got the reef blocking the waves coming backwards and forwards here. This is a two-way street.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm bigger than everybody today. Here it is. All right. So see these folks, you can go down the steps here and just take a little peek.
This particular beach is really beautiful, and it really does have pink sand. Sometimes the camera doesn't pick that up, but if I give you a close-up of it, you'll see little pieces of pink. That's actually coral that's been broken down. And when the light hits it a certain way, this beach does turn pink. And in contrast to that beautiful turquoise water, it's just overwhelming. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And speaking of super thanks, a super thanks to Nikita Watson and Mike C, both who gave a super thanks to my last video. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your support for the New York channel. Again, you give a super thanks, you get a shout out on a video.
But up there, that building there is the Bermuda College. Behind that college is a hotel called the Cocoa Reef Hotel. And they have their own beach there. Oh, honey, what do we do? Keep going around. We're working on it. You see, they're used to riding on the right side. Right side here is what? Suicide. Oh, the water's blue. Let me take a second look. Oh, yeah, it is too. Right. So now we're coming on the north side. This road here is called North Shore Road. North Shore Road, right along here. We're going to take this north road and go down to the other end of the island, which is called that little town of St. George. Tourists that they stop to this every time I reinforce with tourists, and they say, "Oh, wow!" And there it is. Look at that. What color is that water? Look at that. Then come see the beach over there, Gibson's baby. Gibson's Bay. That was a New York one or Bermuda one? Look at that water. It's lovely. And the tide's been down a bit. I see the tides coming in. Now, right behind there is where...
In case you're wondering, this bus tour was pretty much included with the price of my ticket for the Norwegian Gem. They give you a $50 credit for any excursions you want to take, and I don't think this costs more than, I don't know, $50, maybe $70 at the top. So if anything, out of pocket, it was like $20, $25 plus a tip for the driver, just in case you were wondering. We stopped off for a quick visit to the Bermuda Turtle Project, which showed us some turtles that were pretty old. Some of these turtles are over 100 years old. Unfortunately, when I showed up, they were cleaning the tanks, so just goes to show you I have the worst luck when it comes to these kind of things. But I got to see some big old turtles.
Beach. Now, you couldn't walk out, that beach I took you down in the Horseshoe Bay, you couldn't walk out 100 yards, the water be over your head. See that gentleman way over there? He's standing, it's at his knee level, he's enjoying it.
Coming up here is the Wade International Airport in case you're flying into Bermuda. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.